Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to complete our music player. We will be refactoring our code and we will be solving every error that might occur while playing the songs or while working with the music player. But first of all I need to implement one button, that is stop button, which will stop the song. I missed that, so let's implement that quick. So we will have stop function, and what it will do is just stop the music. Pygame.mixer.music dot stop. Now after stopping, it also need to reset every parameter. So we will copy the code that we used in the delete song function, that is here. This code will be the same. So let's paste this here. Now I think it should work fine, and let's name this stop song. Now after this, let's mention this function in the button. So in the stop button section, yes, here instead of command it will be self.stop song, and that would work fine. Now let's refactor our code. So first of all, let's see which function is being called when we click on the play button. So in the play button, let's see what command have we mentioned. So in the play button, we are calling the check play pause. So what we need to do is we need to call this check play pause only when the list contains a song. So here we will specify a check if self dot songs list dot size. If it is greater than 1 or equal to 1, then we will be doing all this stuff. So let's run the code and see if it gives an error when we play the song before adding the songs in the list. So let's click on the button. So as you can see, there is no error. So it's working fine. So we need to apply the same check in all the function. So let's copy this, and in case of pause and pause, no, I don't think we need to do that here. So we need to implement in the stop song definitely. So let's indent this, and in case of repeat song also we need to do this, and in autoplay too, just copy paste. In case of shuffle, definitely how can we shuffle the song if the songs are not present? So it makes sense putting this here. Now in the next song also, and in the previous one. And also in case of delete. So in case of delete, so it's working fine. Now I need to add one more thing to our music player, that is one icon. So when we open our music player, then you can see there is a feather like, leaf like icon, but we need our custom icon. So let's do this as well. So here in window we will specify window.wm icon bitmap, and here we will provide the icon file. So I already have an icon here, that is music.ico. We will be using this one. So let's mention this. It's in this images folder. So we will write images, and here we will specify the music.ico. Now I think it should be visible in our interface. So as you can see, now that leaf like icon has disappeared. So our music player is completed. It's working really fine, and we have handled all the errors that might occur. And I really hope you liked all this stepwise video that I posted on music player, and you understood the code we have written. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next one with some new project or some new Python related topic. Bye bye.